cold. My life is a party, my home is the club. I party like a rock star, dance until I drop. My life is a party, my home is the club.
So guys, let's unbox our new phone, which is Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this is the boxing of the phone. I bought it from Flipkart. So the Best Buy link will be in the description below, so that you can buy it from there easily. So this is the phone, and now first of all let's see some of the mentioned specifications of this phone. So it has 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display and having 12+5 dual cameras set up at the back, and having a Snapdragon 636 processor, and the battery is about 4000 mAh. So this is the packaging of the phone. Now let's remove the upper part, but before that also check whether the seal is broken or not. So be careful while buying a electronic device from online. So first of all you get a a silicone case. So the material of this case is average, not very good or bad. So this will just provide you grip to hold the device properly, nothing else. It will not protect it from scratches or shock, etc. So this is the main unit. So let's grab this unit in our hands. So guys, first impression is very good. When I grab this phone, I'll feel that this is a solid thing, guys. So let's see what's inside this box. Some paperwork as usual. Now let's see the charger, whether it's a fast charger or not. Wait, let me see the rating. And unfortunately this is a normal charger, not fast charger, but I have seen some videos which claiming that this device supports fast charging, and unfortunately Xiaomi gives USB type, only USB. So Xiaomi, please give us USB type C at least, as this is a pro version. So let's come to our main unit. So let's boot it up and see whether it has juice or not. So while it's booting, let's see some of the specs of this phone. So this is the 18:9 ratio display with having a 20 megapixel front camera. So surprisingly Xiaomi gives 20 megapixel front camera, and at the back you have dual camera 12+5 megapixel. So dual camera setup and dual LED tone flash light with a fingerprint scanner. And at the top you'll get IR blaster with a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And if we talk about the side of the phone, you'll have a volume rocker plus power button. And if you talk about the left side of the phone, so you have a hybrid SIM slot, which means you can either use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card or 1 memory card. So guys, if we talk about the bottom, you have a speaker grill, micro USB mic, and a 3.5mm jack. So let's set it up fastly. Let's fast forward this part of the video and set it up. So guys, first of all let's jump into the settings of the phone. Now let's see on which version, Android version, it is running on. So this is the 18:9 ratio display, so it is running on 7.1.1 Nougat. So but guys, the bad thing is you'll only get security patch of 12th of December 2017 approx. So this is not good thing, Xiaomi. You have to give updates frequently, and the MIUI version is 9 and etc. These are the basic things, and on the first boot you'll get approx 52 GB of storage. Now let's jump into the settings and see what's the interface, the typical Xiaomi interface, but you'll have a new options like portrait, square, video, short video. There's a photo, portrait, square, panorama shots, and etc. You have also manual camera option. So let's see the settings of photos. So wait a second, let's open these settings, and nothing much complicated or unique, same thing guys. So now let's jump into the video setting. So wait a second, jump into the video, open. Yes, you have two options, time lapse or slow motion. You can make both of these types of videos from this phone, and unfortunately the maximum size is full HD, that is 1080p, but I think Xiaomi will give an update and enable the 4K, as this back camera is capable of shooting 4K videos, and this is the front camera. Good camera, 20 megapixel, not very unique things, basic things. And now let's jump into the setting. Let me show you the storage of this app. You get on the first boot. So as you can see, 52 point something GB, so out of 56 or something like that. So in 64 GB variant, you'll get only 53 GB of storage on first boot. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this short video of unboxing and small review of Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I'll make more videos on camera comparison, speed test, gaming tech, etc. So stay tuned for that, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time whenever I upload a new video. So stay tuned for more galvanizing videos like this. Okay guys, bye bye.